Introducing Liner AI, your AI-powered productivity partner. In today's fast-paced digital world, productivity is paramount. We're constantly seeking tools to help us work smarter, not harder. This is where Liner AI comes in, a revolutionary AI-powered workspace designed to redefine productivity. Liner AI is not just another AI tool, it's your partner in navigating the overwhelming sea of information and tasks. Liner AI excels in understanding and organizing content through cutting-edge machine learning algorithms. This empowers users to glean insights, automate tasks, and ultimately reclaim valuable time. Imagine a world where research is a breeze, content creation is streamlined, and decision-making is backed by data-driven insights. That's the world Liner AI aims to create. Liner AI's mission is to make AI accessible and beneficial to everyone. Whether you're a student grappling with research papers, a professional drowning in emails, or a business seeking data-driven insights, Liner AI offers a solution. It's more than just a tool, it's an extension of your capabilities, helping you achieve more in less time. What sets Liner AI apart from the crowded field of AI tools? It's the unique combination of user-friendliness, powerful features, and a commitment to customization. Liner AI has been designed with the user in mind, ensuring that even those with no coding experience can harness the power of AI. One of Liner AI's standout features is its intuitive no-code platform. Unlike other AI tools that require coding knowledge, Liner AI empowers users to build, train, and deploy AI models with ease. This drag-and-drop functionality makes AI accessible to everyone regardless of their technical expertise. Liner AI doesn't stop there. It goes beyond basic automation by offering a suite of pre-built templates and workflows. These templates cater to a wide range of needs, from summarizing lengthy documents to extracting key insights from data. This means users can hit the ground running, achieving immediate productivity gains without having to build everything from scratch. Liner AI's versatility is evident in its wide range of applications across various industries. From education and research to marketing and sales, Liner AI has the potential to transform the way we work. Let's explore how Liner AI empowers users in different sectors. For students and educators, Liner AI is a game changer. Imagine effortlessly summarizing research papers, extracting key findings, and generating citations. Liner AI makes these tasks a breeze, allowing students to focus on comprehension and analysis rather than tedious information gathering. Educators can also leverage Liner AI to streamline grading, personalize learning experiences, and gain insights into student performance. In the realm of marketing and sales, Liner AI proves to be an invaluable asset. Marketers can use Liner AI to analyze customer data, personalize marketing campaigns, and generate engaging content. Sales teams can leverage Liner AI to qualify leads, personalize outreach, and track customer interactions. The result is more effective marketing campaigns and increased sales conversions. Liner AI understands that one size doesn't fit all. That's why customization is at the heart of its design. Users can tailor Liner AI to their specific needs, creating a truly personalized AI assistant. Liner AI allows users to create custom AI models and workflows. This means you can train Liner AI on your own data and processes, making it even more adept at handling your unique tasks. Whether it's automating a repetitive task specific to your industry, or analyzing data in a way that aligns with your business goals, Liner AI empowers you to work smarter and more efficiently. Furthermore, Liner AI seamlessly integrates with the tools you already use and love. From popular productivity suites like Google Workspace and Microsoft Office to communication platforms like Slack and email, Liner AI fits right into your existing workflow. This seamless integration ensures that you can leverage the power of AI without disrupting your established processes.